Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on House of Borse, or HOB. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's jump in. HOB is an online, fully regulated broker that features trading in Forex, indices, commodities, and equities. Their accounts feature silver, gold, and platinum trader accounts, while supported platform for demo and live accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 for your preferred operating system. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on HOB. First, head over to their website at houseofborse.com. Next, on their homepage here, you will see Open Live Account and Open Demo Account. Click on Open Demo Account. Next, fill out your personal information such as your name, email address, country of residence, mobile phone number, and your preferred deposit amount. After you have submitted your information, you will see "Thank you for applying for a demo account." What you'll want to do next is head over to your email and verify your address through the email HOB has sent you. What you'll want to do next is download and install MetaTrader 4. A link will be available after you have verified your email address. After you have downloaded and installed MetaTrader 4, log in with the information displayed on the page prior. And we're in! This is a House of Borse demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either bar, candlestick, or line charts. You can zoom in and out of the selected chart window with the magnifying glass buttons on the right of the chart types buttons. To change one of the chart windows into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected chart window. On the top left of the main chart window, we can see our quick buy and sell order execution option. This is where we can make quick buy and sell orders on the selected currency pair straight from the main chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our Market Watch, which displays all of the trading instruments that HOB provides. Because we are trading Forex, this Market Watch is displaying Forex currency pairs. If you wish to open an individual buy and sell order window, all you'll need to do is simply right-click on the selected currency pair and click on New Order. This will then open a separate buy and sell order window that displays some additional information and its own line chart. To add a preferred currency pair into its own chart window, all you will need to do is simply right-click on the preferred currency pair and select Chart Window. This will then open the selected pair into its own chart window in the center of the dashboard. At the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see all the currency pairs that we have added into our main chart windows. We can switch through all the pairs from here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, you can select the Help tab here at the top left of the screen. This will then display some video guides to platform functionality and a help topic center that can assist you with getting started. HOB features their very own trade cost guide, if you wish to read through some additional trading equations and methods to help you understand a more in-depth approach. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider not risking more than you can afford to lose. This is one key fundamental rule of risk management, and believe it or not, it's quite a common mistake among beginner traders. One key point here is to consider a reduction in your trading size during a losing streak, or perhaps taking a break until you can identify a trade which displays some aspects of high probability. It's always a good idea to stay ahead of your risk management, in terms of the size of your positions and your very own emotions. Emotions can play a massive role in the outcome of very important decisions, which can sometimes lead to failure if not properly maintained. The Forex marketplace is volatile and ever-changing, so consider trying to understand risk management in a more advanced and in-depth way if you wish to overcome these certain challenges. And that's how to open a demo account on House of Borse. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck.